Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install ActiveCampaign in Elementor. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to seamlessly connect your email marketing efforts with your WordPress site, making it easier to capture leads and automate your marketing campaigns directly through your Elementor pages. To get started, you'll need to access your WordPress website's admin dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to your site's login page, which is typically found at your site.com/wp-admin. Enter your username and password, then click Login to access the back end of your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll find all your WordPress menu options. Locate and hover over the Plugins menu item. This section is where you manage all the plugins installed on your site, and it's exactly where we need to be to add ActiveCampaign. Click on Plugins, and from the submenu that appears, select Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin installation page where you can search for and add new functionality to your WordPress site. Now you'll see a search field at the top right corner of the plugins page. This is your gateway to finding thousands of available WordPress plugins. Click into the search field and type ActiveCampaign. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering the results to show you plugins related to your search term. This makes it super easy to find exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through endless options. Once the search results populate, look for the official ActiveCampaign plugin. It should appear near the top of the results with the ActiveCampaign logo and branding clearly visible. When you've confirmed you found the right plugin, click the Install Now button. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin to your site. This process usually takes just a few seconds, but depending on your internet speed and server performance, you might need to wait a moment while everything downloads and unpacks. After the installation completes, you'll notice the Install Now button transforms into an Activate button. This is an important step because installing the plugin simply adds it to your site, but activating it is what actually makes it functional and ready to use. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the ActiveCampaign plugin on your WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated ActiveCampaign on your WordPress site, making it ready to integrate with Elementor and start capturing leads from your landing pages and forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.